down. What is happening, everybody? We picked a snotty day to be out. It's pouring rain out there. You can probably hear it behind you on the windshield. Work's canceled. All work today is canceled. Oh my goodness, wow. A little bit of road flooding, a lot of cloudy, dirty, brown water going across the road back there. So we're not working today. We're not working in this. I've gotten to the point in my career, guys, that I just don't... I mean, I appreciate everything I have. I am so lucky to be able to work for myself and make a living and be my own boss. It's amazing. It really is. So fortunate, and I understand that. But at the same time, I'm at that point where I don't want to work in the rain. Can I? Yes. Will I? Yes. But on days like today, there's really nothing going on. So here's my job for today. My job for today was to work on bucking up that pine tree. That one that's going across to the, you know the one we're talking about. I was going to work on that. Don't really want to in this weather. And then I've got a patio up country, which is where we're going now, that I was water sealing. And I water seal it every year for them. I don't think it's necessary, but it's what they want, so I do it. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing it in the rain. But what I do need is I need the little R1000, which right now I have it with the rake attachment on that property up there. So I'm driving up there to pick it up. I got the empty trailer behind me. We're gonna get up there, load it on the trailer, and get it back down here because I need that for next week. I needed it 2 weeks ago, but it was up there. And I was up there last week and I thought about grabbing it, but then I thought, no, I'll get it this week. Well, look what happened. Now I'm making a special trip. I should have just loaded it up and hauled it home last week. But anyway, that's where we're headed. Keep you up to date on the way up there. It's, I don't know, maybe an hour drive. It's not super far, but we'll see if anything happens. Maybe we'll get into some snow. Well, it's a pretty basic trip so far. Just a little slower. Like I was saying before, I feel so fortunate that I get to come to spots like this. Work up in the woods. It's amazing. It's incredible. Even when it's all snotty and wet and rainy out, it's still beautiful. You just get to where you're going a little bit slower. But especially pulling a trailer, which I don't know if I told you guys, last week, Tuesday, I was driving up the road and I lost a wheel. Didn't come completely off, but what happened is the driver's side wheel bearings in my trailer went out. Same ones that went out 6 months ago that I replaced. So it was clear that I didn't fix them proper. So I had a mobile mechanic come out and do it on the side of the road. I figured that was a lot better than doing it again in 6 months, but because of that, it's got me a little nervous. So I'm being a little extra careful. I'm keeping my eyes on my mirrors and everything, and yeah, just keeping an eye. Because the passenger side is still the same wheel bearings that came on the trailer. So that's got me a little bit nervous, but anyway, we're about halfway there. We just got a lot of windy mountain roads to go on. Hopefully no downed trees or rocks or whatever, but it does happen quite frequently. So, ooh, I don't know if you guys saw that spot in the road. You could see underneath the road going around that right-hand corner. That would give kind of a sketchy feeling in your gut. Anyway, onward and upward, literally. There's a spot up here I want to try to show you guys. I don't know if we're going to see it, but it's like a waterfall. There should be enough water running right now. Where's it at? No, it's down here somewhere. It's not hard to get out or not. It's not raining, there's water rush over it. Where is that? It's on the left-hand side of the road. I'll look at it, but it's probably hold on, the door. No, it's not. It's on. Zoom the hand off. Here's waterfall at. I'll probably cut a lot of this out. Oh, this has got to be it. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I don't know if there's been some landscaping that's gone on there to, you know, to direct that water down to the drainage or whatever. I just don't know. I don't think so. It looks all natural, but it's amazing once we get closer to the end of winter when there's snow melt and everything. That thing's just raging. But anyway, we're almost to our destination. Ooh, buddy. I picked a bad day to do this. It is just rip-roaring snotty. I gotta unhook this thing. I gotta get all wet and drive it down to the road. There really was, so the people are leaving right now. So there's no place, sorry, there's no place for my truck to be in the driveway. So I had to park all the way down at the road. All right, let's just go. Hope for the best. Uh-oh. We'll see ya. Woo-wee. So you can't see nothing. Shut the gas off. Get you guys set up. The garbage man came. Had to get their trash cans down. Truck and get the hell out of here. Woo. Oh God. Woo. Woo. Oh, it's cold. Can't see nothing. Soaking wet. All right, truck's running. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna crank that heater up. Oh guys, I'm soaking wet, but I got the cans up. That's go. Dang it, sorry. I'm getting out of here. This is too much. Woo! That wind was blowing. Like I said, soaking wet, wind blowing. Man. We're done though. We got the R1000 loaded on the trailer. I was gonna grab my rake too while I was up here, but you know what? I'm not dealing with it. I'm over it. I'm getting down. It's going to be windy and rainy and snotty like this all day. The wind hasn't hit down where I'm at yet, but it will. It's coming. So yeah, let's get back down into civilization. I'll show you guys where we're at. What we're looking at here. Here you go. Get you spun around. Yeah, so we're up in the woods. It's beautiful, but oh man. That was rough. And I got it worked out. I don't know if you guys saw, but I got it worked out. So let me spin you back around. I got it worked out on the R1000 where I just take my strap. It's, I don't know, it's like a 2,000–3,000 pound strap. So it's beefy. And we put it up over the bull bar, tighten it up, and we're done, down the road. That way we're not sitting there messing with trying to strap something down, and it's you know, I don't know what they are, 3-foot sides on the trailer. I don't have to strap that thing down at all. It's not going anywhere. But I also don't want it rolling around, sliding around, banging into stuff. So I pull it on, take that strap, hook it around the bull bar, tighten it down, done, bang, boom, down the road we go. Speaking of down the road, I'm going to pay attention to the road and, like I say, get down to civilization. So